Hi guys! Next lock that I will show is from the package of the LockPickingLawyer. It's a Illinois padlock. Seems really old, and however it's still with the original packaging and it's quite a good shape. I am actually surprised. You can see here it's made in the USA, and also states that on the back side, additionally, Illinois Lock Company, Chicago, made in the USA. It's a wafer lock. It's actually a duo. It's a double wafer lock. So there are wafers on each side. Key is also a sight to see. Works just beautifully. There's a very small locking pole here on the side. No, I think you can make it out, this thing. Basically you need to push it and then it will go out of the way, which will release the shackle. I'm not sure, it seems to be a double mechanism. Probably there's a locking pole on the other side as well, but I would not know. Here's on the inside, hopefully you can see the wafers. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, I think you can see the wafers also. It's just really pretty. Here's what the key looks like. Let's see if I can make it work. So this is on one side, that's the side profile, and that's on the other side. Really pretty lock. So having said that, let's have a look if I can pick it. Tension it on this way. Okay, on the top I think I have picked everything that is there to pick. Well, let's turn a little bit to the side, try to pick on the bottom. Okay, I've got a small rotation on the core, I think you noticed it. Not sure which wafer, there are so many edges here that it's not that easy to keep track of what is pressed or what I'm pressing at the moment. I'm pretty sure the LockPickingLawyer made a video about these locks. I think he got it one, or at least he found some information about these locks on the interwebs. So if you're interested, go and check his video. I'll link it here in the video, so maybe it would be interesting for you to know what's inside, as it was for me. Okay, so I've pressed on the top. Let's go back to the bottom. I think I've pressed everything here on the bottom as well. So I need to maybe press something on the side. That's the only thing that... Oops. Or there's maybe one wafer that is hiding exactly behind the tension wrench. Let's try and press it. No, it's not that one. So on top everything is pressed. See on the bottom if I have forgotten something. Let's try now this. Oops. So I've reset some pins, or rather wafers in this case. There are actually wafers that give you feedback here. And there we go. It was number 1. I did not press number 1 and it's open. So these wafers that are inside, there is actually something that gives you a little bit of false settings, a lot of feedback. Just need to be able to press on the proper wafer. LockPickingLawyer, thank you very much for this love. It's really a lovely gift. I highly appreciate it. It's just a beautiful lock. So it took a little bit longer than I expected, but the lock is worth the watch. Everybody else, thanks for watching. Keep it legal, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.